Like it or not, progress is a thing of reality. Change is inevitable. So let me walk you through some changes. First things first, I present to you the Banshee. But what came before the Banshee? What was the most powerful vehicle we had? The Demon. And the Demon reigns supreme because of the Hellcat in general. And the Hellcat came from the Challenger, a phenomenal platform unto itself. Here, specifically, the 6.1. A track beast, the predecessor, the Viper. And as we move just a bit further back, as we look to where we came from, we're reminded that every single step of the way, every step, there was more power to be had. And some of us complained. Some of us were confused. Some of us were angry. How could they do that? Why would they do that? But at the end of the day, it was all in the name of power. And once you get back here and you remember where we came from, and once you get here and you remember where we started, the Banshee doesn't look so bad. Because every step of the way across this entire lineage of vehicles, power, legacy, and an undaunting desire for more. I am honored to be standing next to these powerful beasts of the past, and I'm honored to be a part of the new generation of muscle. The generation that says, we'll take the newest technology and apply it liberally. That's what we've done the entire time. Take the newest of technology and apply it liberally. So I present to you yet another era of muscle. The newest of technology. And what do? We take that, go fast. Simple. Be mad if you want to. I'm not.